friends, welcome to the channel Orange Blast. I'm Meghna and today I'm going to show you how the children can make an instant cake without the use of fire. In early childhood education, cooking experience forms an integral part and children enjoy it a lot. So let's get started. All what we need to make this cake is some whipped cream, biscuits, cocoa powder, powdered sugar and crushed pieces of chocolate. Take a bowl and put this whipped cream into it like this. Now add some cocoa powder into this mixture, some powdered sugar and mix it nicely. To get a fine paste. Children love these mixing activities a lot, and as it is, they love to eat cake. Now, after this mixture, take a flat plate and put these biscuits to form a base. Like this. Now put a layer of the mixture that we have made on these biscuits and spread it evenly. Give a spoon to the children instead of a knife as it is more safe. Like this. Now take another biscuits and make a layer. Again put this mixture and spread it evenly. Children love the flavor of chocolate. You can try it out with other flavors as well, like the vanilla essence or something. After this, you can take this crushed chocolate and sprinkle over the cake. Like this. Once we have made this, we will put it into the refrigerator to set for half an hour. I have already done this for you guys. Here is our set cake. It's a very easy recipe and the children will enjoy making it. For more fun-based activities, please subscribe the channel Orange Blast. And I think this cake is really yummy. Just taste it and let me know. Thank you.